Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to start by preparing both devices so the stream is stable. First, turn on the TV and set the correct input. Don't guess. Select the HDMI or cast input you'll use. Next, make sure your phone has Wi-Fi enabled and enough battery. Plug it in if it's below 20%. Install or open the matching app Google Home for Chromecast, AirPlay for Apple TV, or the TV Maker's app, because that app negotiates the connection and keeps settings simple. Once done with setup, start the actual connection. Open the cast control on your phone, look for Screencast, Smart View, or the AirPlay icon. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise the devices won't see each other. Tap the TV's device name exactly as it appears, and then accept any pairing prompts on both screens. If a PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your phone. This authenticates the session and prevents random devices from connecting. To finish, optimize playback. Rotate your phone for full screen, set volume on both devices, and change resolution in the app if available so video is smooth. When you're done, stop casting from the same phone control or close the app. This ends the session cleanly. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the Wi-Fi router and rejoin both devices. If audio or video fails, replug the HDMI or reboot the TV and phone, because most hiccups are network or handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.